Hi, Jason here. So here is my new Citroën E-C4. As you can see in this beautiful grey. I'll have to look up the technical name. I'll put it in the comments, the actual proper paint name. But it looks really good. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels. This is a Shine Plus, which is the top model, although I think there is like another special edition above that as well. And it's got a nice sort of pearlescent paint. If you can get that in the shot there, you might be able to see that. And lots of little design details, like these lines going across here and through the light there like that. And then you've got your spoiler on the back there as well. So it's a good looking car in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think underneath. Yes, a camera just hiding underneath there for your reversing. And obviously they do this car in petrol as well. And then what sort of sets it apart with the electric model, which is what this one is that little E there, this kind of blue look E, and they've got another one on the side as well. There you are. It looks really nice. The wheels are great too. Look at this. Very smart. Diamond cut alloys, say 18-inch. These are running on Michelin tyres. You've got your parking sensors hiding just there all the way around. These are a nice feature as well. So in the top of the bonnet there, you can see them better around here probably. There we go. You've got this real nice kind of dimple almost just through the top, which just, I don't know, breaks up the shape a little bit, I suppose. And then another detail of the electric one is you've got this blue around the lights down the bottom there, fog lights. You can hear it's trying to keep itself cool at the moment, so I've left it on to keep the car cool because it's boiling day today here. So that's a good look at the exterior of this car. You've got the lights there as well. Probably don't know if you can make them out here. But yeah, you can make them out there. LED daylight running lights there. But yeah, let me know what you think of the look of this car. I think it is a good looking car. It's quite chunky. And I like the way the back slopes off like that. So on this model you've got as well the darkened rear windows too, the privacy glass and what have you. But I think it's a very nice looking car. I like the colour of this. It looks really good in the lighter grey as well. There's one lighter colour grey. But I was happy to have it in either colour, but I got this one. And as some of you may know, I get my cars from On2. There's a link underneath this video if you want to grab this car. You can get it for 1 monthly fee, pay as you go, no long contracts and stuff, from these guys here. You can just see it there, On2. And there's a £50 voucher that will get to you £50 off your first month too. And if you don't like the car for any reason, then you can just give it them back like in 1 month. So that's the benefit of using On2. But there we are. So yeah, do let me know what you think about this car in terms of its looks and this particular paint color, which I'll put in the comments for you. And please do like and subscribe as well if you find these videos interesting and useful for you to help you choose what kind of electric car that you want. All right, thanks for watching. See you real soon.